Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a quick warm-up and a stretching routine done at the bar that you can use before starting any of your online lessons. And today's video is being sponsored by Energetiks. Energetiks is an Australian brand that makes amazing dancewear. I'm going to leave in the description of this video the link for this outfit, the shoes, the tights, but also for the entire website so you go there and have a look to their products. In saying that, now let's get ready. Let's get to it. Our first exercise, we're going to focus on footwork. So it's not going to be very technical footwork. Rather, we are going to just focus on warming up toes, arches, calves, and so on. We're going to begin parallel position, sideways to the bar, arms on bravo, and with the music, we're going to do 5, head to the bar 6, open to second position 7, releve 8. We are going to do what I call bicycle. So basically, we are going to alternate from one demi-point to another demi-point. This is how it's going to look like. Pressing your arches forward, stretch one leg while you bend the other knee. We are going to do 8. We are going to do it with pour the breath. So we are going to do 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, releve 8. We are going to next do demi-plie, pressing arch forward, 2, demi-plie 3, 4, and now we are going to do pressing even farther, 5, 6, 7, 8. Balance, 1, 2, 3, 4. Demi-plie, roll through the demi-point, down, open, and stretch, releve. And from here we are going to repeat everything one more time. Demi-point 1, demi-point 2, demi-point 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, releve 8. Now we are going to do demi-plie and stretch. Demi-plie and stretch with arch pressing 1, up, press, up. Balance, 1, 2, 3, hold the bar 4, roll through, press down, open, and second position parallel. From here we are going to do pour the bra forward, pour the bra to the back, pour the bra inside the bar, pour the bra away from the bar, first position, releve, and stays balanced. That's going to be our first exercise. Now let's do it with music. 5, 6, 7, releve 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, releve. Press, plie, stretch. One more plie, stretch, and now press arch up, and press one more, up, releve. Torso slide forward, legs together, stay. 5, roll through, 6, open, 7, releve 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your endeavors, belly inside, and super tall. Endeavors 1, up. 1 more, deep demi-plie. 1 pressing down, 1 up. Balance. Slide forward and super elongated. Down, roll through. Plie. Parallel position. Breathe. 1, 2. Slowly down and up. Back. Don't forget to breathe. Recover. Up to the bar. Up. Away from the bar. First position, balance. Next, we are going to do badminton deuce and demi-plie in one exercise. And the main goal here is going to be to focus on hips rotation. So we are going to begin first position, sideways to the bar. 5, 6, 7, 8. Badminton deuce 1 and flex, and 3, plie 4, rotates to the back 6, 7, plie, first position, bad mountain dew to the side, and flex, and point. And now we are going to close, rotate, open, close, rotate, open. Now your hips are going to stay facing forward the entire time, and it's just moving your hips, flexors, in, out, and open. First position, demi-plie, stretch, demi-plie, stretch, grand plie, stretch, and repeat everything under that. 1 and 2, 3, plie, 4, 5, rotate, 6, and 7, plie, first to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step to the back, facing the bar. We are going to press heel down, and we're going to bend the front knee. So we stretch calves. 1, 2, and to the back. Lift toes. 3, 4, 5, 6. Recover tendu. Close. First position, parallel. With the right hand, we are going to look back. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to twist our back while we try to keep hips facing forward. So a gentle twist to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the other side. 5, 6, 7, and relative balance to work in control and strength and slide it forward. And that's gonna be our second exercise. First position and arms on Brava. Ready? 6, 7, breathe, tendu, 1, flex, 2, point, 3, plie in first position, tendu, rotates to the back, and rotates forward, plie to the side, 1, flex, supporting leg super tall, and in, out, and in, out, first position, demi-plie, 1, and stretch, and 2, ready for grand plie, slowly down, control movement and up, ready to do everything to the back, 1, 2, point, plie, fourth position, dandy, rotates up, rotates to the back, plie first to the side, and flex, supporting leg super tall, and open, and control your hips, first position, demi-plie, don't forget to breathe, grand plie, control the way down and up, to the bar, and heels back. Stretch front leg, and we are going to lift toes and bend back knee. Feel that stretch in the front calf, and stretch. First position, breathe to the back, and breathe to the back. Balance. Ready to do the other side? First position. 6, 7, breathe, and 1. Feel that foot flexing and point, plie a heel forward, and 1, and keep that turn out. Feel your hips rotating to the side, 1, supporting leg really tall, and now control your hips. Nice, well done. First position, plie. And one more. Grand plie, control this way down. Open knee back and up to the back. 1 and flex. And super tall, elongated. 1, keep the turn out. Supporting leg really tall. To the side, and 1. Your body weight over the toes of the supporting leg. Think about it. First position and breathe. One more. Control shoulder and hip back. Control movement down, up. Look at your hands and to the back. Facing bar, flex front knee. Feel that stretch in the back leg. Now stretch knee. Flex your front foot, bend back leg. Feel that stretch in your front calf. Recover, and first position parallel. Breathe to the back. Breathe to the back. And balance. Down. Our next exercise is a little bit more flexible, aggressive exercise, but don't be scared. You can always do the exercise to your own level. Now we are going to be 5th position, sideways to the bar. And with the music, 5, 6, 7, plie and 8. Develop it with plie. You're going to hold your toes or your heel or your shin, and you're going to stretch your leg in front of you. Stretch with demi-plie. Stretch your supporting leg if you can do so. Goes to the side, and we're going to rotate. Feel your hips moving sideways, forward, back. From here, we are going to lower down. 5th position to the back. Demi-plie. You're going to either hold your knee back, or your shin, or your heel. I'm going to hold my knee. Just stretch there, stretch penché. You can hold it from in, from outside. Going to do badminton dip forward. And we are going to lower down to lunge position. We move to the side, to the other side. Change left leg in front. Stretch, 5th position, and repeat everything to the other leg. And then we're going to do the splits on the ground. Now let's do it with music. Plie and hold your toes. Try to keep your hip down and don't let it go forward back. Stretch your supporting leg and rotate to the side. Again, your hips going to be down. Yep. Can you free your leg and hold it there? And control the way down. Awesome. 5th position. Demi-plie and repeat the same to the back. Remember, this is not a technical movement. We are just trying to feel our hips warming up, doing a good flexibility stretching routine. Take your time, dandy forward, and lunge position. Feel that stretch on the hip of the back leg. Forward, facing the bar. You're gonna stay longer, or you can change with me to the other side. Change forward. And recover up. Ready to do the other side. Ready? 6, 7, 1. Take your toes, your heels, or your chin. Remember, don't let your hip go with the leg. Hip down. And stretch slowly. Open to your side. Once again, look at my hip. Lower down. Awesome. Don't forget to breathe. Free your leg. Try to hold it and control the way down. Plie to the back. Dandy forward, lunge position. Remember, take your time. You don't need to follow my tempo. I'm gonna turn face the bar. Feel the stretch, almost sit back. Change. And now change facing forward. Try to lift your chest and feel that stretch on the back legs, hip, and recover. Up. We're going to do the splits. Either leg forward, and we're gonna lower down. Control. Nice. Let's go down to that leg in front of us. Stretch. Recover up and slide it back. Opposite hand to the front leg, opposite hand to the back leg. And change to middle split. You can lower down. And change to the other leg. Go down.